got it, got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. Boy, you know I got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. Boy, you know I got it.
On Karma Playhouse.
Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you, babe. Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you.
Two C's.
What's up, K-Army?
Today we're back with another video.
We are back with another DIY. Hey!
So today we are going to do a springtime DIY by making some faux flowers float inside of a glass bowl full of water.
So the things you're gonna need for this video are, of course, faux flowers,
some bubble wrap,
you're gonna need some scissors,
a glass bowl full of water,
and you're gonna need some Eads 6000 glue. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're just gonna repeat this process with all the other flowers.
Purpose at the end. The thing was to get to that end. Success or whatever it is, or maybe heaven.
So we finished.
So take a look. If you do a floating flowers DIY, hit us with the hashtag Karma Floating Flowers on all of our social media so we can repost on all of our social media. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like,
comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you get a
ping every time we post.
We love you guys, and we'll see you next time on
Karma Playhouse.
Deuces.
Hi, I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Miesha, and you've been watching
Karma Playhouse. If you like challenges
and DIYs, remember to watch more of our videos
and smash the subscribe button below.